Guys, what's up? My name is Cyril Komotar, and today we'll talk about this car. You probably know it. It's the Volkswagen ID.3.
Okay, now where to start? I would suggest the tires, but it's pretty hard to drive the car inside, so let's just go. Much better. I even have the keys. I think it's safe to say we found the right spot.
All right, let's start with the tires. Can you read what it says on there? Continental Eco Contact 6.
This set of tires was engineered and optimized especially for this car. And now, of course, you want to know why. This is an electric car, right? Right? Come on, man, cooperate. And electric cars are what? Very, very quiet. So in addition to the grip and stability the tires needs to provide, the road noise they produce also needs to be kept at a minimum. And that, well, that's hard to do. But not only that, they must handle all the stress that's thrown their way. You know why? All the torque the electric engine provides can be thrown onto the wheels immediately. Let me show you. That was pretty fast, right?
Tires like these, they need to be able to create something called low resistance,
Well, I'm sorry. I was supposed to say low rolling resistance.
which helps with fuel economy.
And what about that tiny plus sign? Can you see it? You know what that's all about? Well, it's a quality sign from Volkswagen stating that this is a tire they approve. Now, just one more really important thing. When it comes to Continental tires, have you ever heard the expression Conti seal? Not like, you can basically drive over a nail and, well, nothing happens. You keep on driving.
The tire is able to seal itself from the inside.
All right, that's it for now. Let's continue. Can't forget the phone, let's go! I don't know if you knew this, but Continental connects with the ID.3 on a really deep level. It's not just about the tires. This car, well, it's pretty smart. There has to be like one major computer, right? Guess who makes that computer? Of course, it's Continental. And you would not be wrong for thinking that Continental, together, hand in hand, with the car manufacturers, is actually creating the future of mobility. And by the way, if you're wondering, where the heck is this guy filming this? Well, I come from Slovenia. Tiny little country, 2 million people, not one more, and, well, the Alps to die for. And I'm losing the sun. Look at this. I need to get higher. Come back here. We're on the move again. I'm trying to get the sun. Much better. To get back to what I was talking about, the computer. Well, it's actually a control unit. Being the brains of the operations, you're taking care of the whole electrical ecosystem. It also controls the charging, the energy management, but above all, it allows you to make software updates wherever you are. It doesn't even matter. It can do it right now. And I think that's it. I think I've said all that I wanted to say. I just want to show you this beautiful view before I go. Isn't this beautiful? And that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.
Almost forgot the phone again.